Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the cutout effect on your videos on the Instagram Edits app. So if you have a picture and you want to cut it out and you only want to show the person, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, first go to your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to make sure you're on the project section here. Now from here, you go ahead and create a new project. And let's just say you want to place a video file into this clip here. Tap Add. So I have this picture, which I've chosen. And I want to add a video clip. However, I want to cut out of that video clip and add it here. So to do this, I'll go ahead and choose Cutout. From here, I'll go ahead and find the video where I want to do the cutout. So for example, this lady here. This will now analyze the video and will show you what to cut out. So as you can see, it has recognized a body here. So I'll go and tap on Track Object. It'll now go through the video and will track the human in that object. Now, once I'm happy, I'll tap Done. And now that person is in this video. I can go ahead and enlarge it. I can go and press play. And as you can see, it has cut out that person from that video. So that is how to create the cutout effect on your Edits Instagram app.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.